Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Paddock, and this is your morning meeting. I'm going to turn the camera over to our calendar to get started right away. All right, so our month of May is almost over, right? We have one more week left. It is May the 25th today, so May 25th, and it is Monday. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Great job. So again, today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Can you sing it with me? 1, 2, 3. Today is Monday, today is Monday, all day long, all day long. Yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Oh, what fun. Oh, what fun. Excellent job. So again, we just have this one more week left. Next Sunday, it'll be May 31st. It's the last day of the month. And then next Monday, we start a new month, which will be June the 1st, right? So June is our next month. So we're almost there. All right, let's do our days of the week. 1, 2, 3, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7, there are 7, there are 7 days of the week. Excellent. Let's look at our months of the year. 1, 2, 3, January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in a year. Excellent. Let's look at our numbers chart here. So there's our numbers chart, it goes up to 100, but we're going to look at the tens column. So it's this one right here. Ready? Let's skip count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. Let's go by the fives. So it's this column and this column, right? And we go back and forth. Skip count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Great job. Think we can count backwards? Do our blast off? Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Great job. All right, our season is spring. Sorry, I just dropped my the stick down there. Our season is spring, of course, and we have 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter. Now today I was outside a little earlier with Charlie, and it's a little bit chilly outside. I think it's only about 13 degrees out there right now. It's supposed to go up to about 24 degrees, so that's actually nice. So we'll see. Right now it's a little bit cloudy, so let's look at my window so you can see it's pretty cloudy outside. Maybe we'll get some rain today, I don't know. And it is a little bit chilly, but not as windy as it was yesterday. Yesterday was kind of windy, right? And it was kind of chilly, especially towards the evening, right? So there you have it. So there's kind of what's happening in my neighborhood. Yours is probably the same. Now this week for your work, there are 2 assessments, boys and girls, so 2. One is, well, both of them are math assessments. One, you're dealing with weight, and you guys are going to be you're going to get a sheet of paper that has a bunch of like items on them, and you're going to color those items, and you're going to cut them out and then glue them in the right column. So one is either a heavy, that's heavy column, or the light column. So heavy load or light load. I'm going to show you what that paper looks like when it's done. I'll send this to your parents as well so they can see. But this is your first assessment. At the top it says heavy load, and the pictures, you'll color them, cut them out, and then glue them under the right truck, okay? So the first truck says light, L-I-G-H-T, spells light. And so, and then the other truck says heavy, H-E-A-V-Y is heavy. And you're gonna figure out which column, or so which truck do each of the items go on. I have a video that I've posted as well on YouTube. You guys can check that out, and I go through this whole assignment on there, okay? So that's an assessment, and make sure that your parents take a picture and send it to me. The second assessment is you're gonna have a sheet of paper that looks like this, says 2D Shapes Artwork by, and you're gonna write your name on it, and you're gonna have a few pieces of construction paper. You're going to design something, some sort of artwork that uses 4 like 4 2D shapes. And the 4 2D shapes that we want to see in your artwork are a triangle, a circle, a square, and a rectangle. So all 4 of those shapes have to show up on your artwork. Now I did a rocket ship, and I've also done a YouTube video, so you can watch it, and I do this artwork on there. Johnny did a house, for example. You might want to do a car. I'm just kind of throwing some ideas out for you, okay? So there's lots of different, you know, ideas that you can think of, and it has to have the 4 2D shapes. So again, a circle, a triangle, a square, and a rectangle. So those shapes have to be in your artwork, okay? And then again, have your parents take a picture of it and send it to me. So those are your 2 assessments for this week. You also have other homework as well. So this week we are working on the number 28, and so you're going to do your numbers book 1 and 2. I'm going to show you my paper here. So you can see the number 28 looks like this. So remember the sky, the train tracks, and the grass. And remember for the 2, it can be 2 different ways. It can be the flat bottom, or it can be the loop in it, okay? So again, making sure you're touching the sky, and then when you do the straight across, it's at the grass. For the loop, it comes down and then up, right? For the 8, an 8 can be 2 different ways too, right? You can do the snowman 8, the 2 circles, or you can do the loop, right? So you could do it that way too, okay? So 28 can look like this, it can look like this too. They're both number 28. Remember to leave a space in between when you're writing them, but not too big of a space in between the 2 and the 8. So it's got to be just right. Now, in our sight words booklet, you're going to have to do packets number 3 and packet number 4, okay? And so our words in the sight words for packet number 3 are be, this, from, I, have, or, by, one, had, not. Okay, remember the word one is a little bit tricky, right? Totally a jail word, one. You just have to know it, that means 1, the number 1. Next, packet number 4, we have but, what, all, were, we, when, an, can, there, your. Okay? Remember to do both packets 3 and 4, and they're pretty easy. Remember, you just with the sunglasses, you're writing on the other glass the word, the one that you have to find the matching. You're just drawing lines, and then you have the sentences. So you're going to read the sentence and then draw a line to the picture that matches it. Okay, let me see here. So that's about it for your work this week. I'm going to be posting some more stories, so watch those YouTube stories. We have still a couple more Mercer Mayer books, because remember, he is our author of the month this month. So we have 1 more week of Mercer Mayer stories. I will also be posting some YouTube videos about stories about bees. So this week we're going to learn a little bit more about bees. So those stories are going to focus on that. So look for those bees. I know tomorrow we have a special birthday, and I'll wish him a happy birthday tomorrow too, but it's El Naughton's birthday tomorrow. So a happy early birthday, El Naughton. Don't think I have forgotten about you. I remember it's your birthday tomorrow. But I'll wish you another happy birthday as well. Okay, tomorrow. And that's about it. Hope you have a wonderful day, my friends. I will send an email to your parents about sort of what we're doing, and that's about it. Love you all, miss you, and remember to be good to your moms and dads, and do your work. When they tell you to go do your work, okay? Take care, you guys, and be good to one another. Love you. Bye.